In this video, we will talk about the top 10 world geography facts. 1. The largest continent, Asia. Asia is the largest continent on Earth, covering about 30% of the world's land area. It spans a vast region from the eastern shores of Japan to the western border with Europe, and from the icy northern reaches of Siberia to the tropical islands of Indonesia. Asia is not only the largest by area, but also the most populous continent, home to over 4.6 billion people, which is more than 60% of the world's population. It is a land of incredible diversity, with countless languages, cultures, and traditions. Asia is home to the world's highest peak, Mount Everest, and vast deserts like the Gobi. The continent's varied climate and geography support diverse ecosystems, from the Siberian tundra to the rainforests of Southeast Asia. 2. The longest river, the Nile. The Nile River is the longest river in the world, stretching about 6,650 kilometers, 4,130 miles, through northeastern Africa. It flows through 11 countries, including Uganda, Sudan, and Egypt, where it has been essential to human civilization for thousands of years. The Nile is especially famous for its historical importance in ancient Egypt. The river's annual flooding was crucial for farming, as it brought nutrient-rich silt to the land along its banks. This made the soil fertile and perfect for growing crops, which helped the ancient Egyptian civilization thrive and become powerful. In addition to its historical role, the Nile is still very important today. It provides water for millions of people who rely on it for drinking, farming, and fishing. The river also supports transportation and trade, helping to connect communities along its route. Overall, the Nile has been and continues to be a vital resource, supporting both historical civilizations and modern communities with its life-sustaining waters. 3. The largest desert, the Sahara. The Sahara Desert is the largest hot desert in the world, covering about 9.2 million square kilometers, 3.6 million square miles, in North Africa. It stretches across 11 countries, from the Atlantic Ocean in the west to the Red Sea in the east, and from the Mediterranean Sea in the north to the Sahel region in the south. The Sahara is known for its extreme conditions, with scorching temperatures during the day and freezing temperatures at night. Despite its harsh environment, the Sahara is home to a variety of flora and fauna, adapted to survive with minimal water. Historically, it has been a significant barrier to travel and trade, but also a route for caravans and explorers. 4. The tallest mountain, Mount Everest. Mount Everest, located in the Himalayas on the border between Nepal and the Tibet Autonomous Region of China, is the tallest mountain in the world. Its peak reaches 8,848 meters, 29,029 feet, above sea level. Climbing Mount Everest is a major challenge for mountaineers, requiring physical endurance, acclimatization to high altitudes, and careful planning. The mountain is known as Sagarmatha in Nepal and Chomolungma in Tibet, both names reflecting its revered status. The first confirmed successful ascent was by Sir Edmund Hillary of New Zealand and Tenzing Norgay of Nepal in 1953. Everest continues to attract climbers from around the world, contributing to local economies, but also raising concerns about environmental impact and safety. 5. The deepest ocean trench, the Mariana Trench. The Mariana Trench is the deepest part of the world's oceans, located in the western Pacific Ocean. Its deepest point, known as the Challenger Deep, reaches about 10,994 meters, 36,070 feet, below sea level. The trench is named after the nearby Mariana Islands. The Mariana Trench is a place of extreme conditions, with immense pressure, low temperatures, and complete darkness. Despite these conditions, it hosts a variety of life forms adapted to survive in this harsh environment. The trench has been the focus of scientific exploration, providing insights into the biology, geology, and chemistry of the deep ocean. 6. The largest rainforest, the Amazon. The Amazon rainforest is the largest tropical rainforest in the world, covering over 5.5 million square kilometers, 2.1 million square miles, across 9 countries in South America, with the majority located in Brazil. The Amazon is often referred to as the lungs of the Earth because it produces about 20% of the world's oxygen. It is home to an incredibly diverse range of plant and animal species, many of which are found nowhere else on the planet. The rainforest plays a crucial role in regulating the global climate and maintaining the Earth's carbon balance. However, it faces significant threats from deforestation, driven by logging, agriculture, and mining activities. 7. The largest island, Greenland. Greenland is the largest island in the world, covering an area of about 2.16 million square kilometers, 836,330 square miles. It is an autonomous territory within the Kingdom of Denmark, located between the Arctic and Atlantic Oceans. Despite its name, Greenland is mostly covered by ice, with about 80% of its surface area covered by the Greenland ice sheet. This massive ice sheet contains about 10% of the world's freshwater. Greenland's climate is Arctic to subarctic, with long, cold winters and short, cool summers. The island is sparsely populated, with most of its residents living along the ice-free coast. Climate change is significantly impacting Greenland, leading to increased ice melt and rising sea levels. 8. The smallest country, Vatican City. Vatican City is the smallest country in the world, both by area and population. It covers just 44 hectares, 110 acres, and has a population of around 800 people. Vatican City is an independent city-state enclaved within Rome, Italy, and serves as the spiritual and administrative center of the Roman Catholic Church. It is the residence of the Pope and home to important religious and cultural sites, including St. Peter's Basilica, the Sistine Chapel, and the Vatican Museums. Despite its small size, Vatican City wields significant influence in religious and cultural matters. It operates its own postal service and radio station, and even issues its own passports. 9. The largest ocean, the Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest and deepest ocean on Earth, covering an area of about 63 million square miles, 165 million square kilometers. It stretches from the Arctic Ocean in the north to the Southern Ocean in the south, and from Asia and Australia in the west to the Americas in the east. The Pacific Ocean is home to the world's largest and deepest ocean trench, the Mariana Trench. It also hosts a vast array of marine life and diverse ecosystems, including coral reefs, kelp forests, and deep-sea trenches. The Pacific Ocean plays a crucial role in regulating the Earth's climate and weather patterns, influencing the distribution of heat and precipitation around the globe. 10. The most populous country, China. China is the most populous country in the world, with a population of over 1.4 billion people. It is located in East Asia and spans a vast area, from the eastern shores of the Pacific Ocean to the western deserts and mountains. China's population is incredibly diverse, with 56 recognized ethnic groups and a wide range of languages and cultures. The country has experienced rapid economic growth over the past few decades, transforming it into one of the world's leading economic powers. China's large population presents both opportunities and challenges, including the need for sustainable development, resource management, and social services. Each of these 10 geography facts highlights the diversity and complexity of our world. From the largest continent of Asia, which is a tapestry of cultures and environments, to the smallest country of Vatican City, a spiritual hub with significant global influence, these geographical features shape human life and natural processes. The Nile River's historical significance, the Sahara's vast and harsh expanse, and Mount Everest's towering peak showcase the extremes of our planet's landscapes. The Mariana Trench, Amazon rainforest, and Greenland's ice sheet emphasize the importance of understanding and protecting our natural environment. Finally, the Pacific Ocean's vastness and China's massive population illustrate the scale and impact of human and natural systems. Understanding these geographical facts helps us appreciate the world's diversity, interconnectedness, and the challenges and opportunities we face in managing our planet's resources and environments. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.